Crypto affiliate marketing, a modern way to achieve financial freedom. Your path to financial freedom starts here. Do you want to make money online? Of course you do. Everyone dreams of it. Crypto affiliate marketing is your golden ticket to this dream. It's simple. You promote crypto products, people sign up through your links, and you get paid. Sweet deal, right? But let's be clear, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It takes dedication and hustle. But the potential? It's huge. We're talking life-changing income here. Crypto is booming and people are hungry for information. You can be their guide, the one who helps them navigate this complex world. Imagine working from anywhere in the world, being your own boss, setting your own hours. That's the power of affiliate marketing. It's about building relationships and trust. You're not just selling, you're educating. You're sharing valuable information, helping people understand and navigate the crypto world. So, are you ready to dive in? Ready to take the plunge and start your journey? Let's unlock the secrets to building a killer crypto affiliate business together. Your path to financial freedom starts now. Start your journey. Building your affiliate empire. First things first, choose your niche. This is the foundation of your affiliate empire. What interests you? Trading, NFTs? Maybe it's blockchain technology or decentralized finance. Find your passion within crypto. This will keep you motivated and engaged. This makes it fun and helps you target the right audience. When you love what you do, it shows. Next, find reputable affiliate programs. Look for those that align with your niche. Look for platforms with solid products and generous commissions. The right program can make all the difference. Do your research, read reviews, make sure the program is reputable and has good support. Don't jump on the first offer you see. Take your time to find the best fit. Now build your platform. A website, blog, social media, these are your tools to reach your audience. This is where you connect with your audience. Engage with them. Build trust. Provide valuable content reviews, tutorials, market insights. Be their go-to resource. Don't forget email marketing. Collect those emails. Build a list. It's the best way to stay connected and promote offers. Consistency is key. Keep your audience engaged and informed. Time to level up, scaling to six figures and beyond. This journey is not just about hitting numbers, it's about transforming your business mindset and strategy. Ready to crank it up? Think bigger. Envision your business as a skyscraper, each floor representing a new milestone. Paid advertising is your friend. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. These platforms are not just for socializing, they are powerful tools for reaching a wider audience. Target your ideal audience with laser focus. Understand their needs, desires, and pain points. Tailor your message to resonate deeply with them. Content is king, but distribution is queen. Get your content seen. Share it across multiple platforms and formats to maximize reach. Collaborate with influencers, guest post on other blogs. These partnerships can amplify your message and introduce you to new audiences. Leverage the power of partnerships. Working together with other businesses can create synergies that benefit both parties. Don't be afraid to experiment. Innovation often comes from trying new things and learning from what doesn't work. Try different platforms, test different offers. Track your results meticulously. Data-driven decisions are key to scaling effectively. What resonates with your audience? Listen to their feedback. Engage in conversations. And adapt your strategies accordingly. Double down on what works. Once you identify successful tactics, invest more resources into them to maximize returns. Scaling takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Be prepared for the long haul. But remember, consistency is key. Daily actions and habits build momentum over time. Show up every day, provide value, engage with your audience. The results will follow. Your dedication and persistence will pay off, leading you to the six-figure mark and beyond. Section 4. Dodge the pitfalls. Rookie, mistakes to avoid. Listen up, rookies. Avoid these common mistakes, promoting everything. Focus on a few quality products. Don't be a spammer, ignoring your audience. Listen to their needs, answer their questions, engage. Giving up too soon. Building a business takes time. Be patient, stay persistent. Honesty is crucial. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Don't overpromise and underdeliver. Build trust with your audience. Remember, you're building a brand. Make it a good one. Section 5. The future is bright earnings and growth potential. Let's talk money. Crypto affiliate marketing can be incredibly lucrative. We're talking six figures and beyond. The sky's the limit. But it's not just about the money. It's about freedom, flexibility, and impact. You're helping people navigate the exciting world of crypto. The crypto space is constantly evolving. New opportunities emerge every day. Embrace the change, stay ahead of the curve. Section 6. Ready, set, hustle, your crypto affiliate adventure begins now. So, what are you waiting for? The crypto world is calling. Take action. Start building your affiliate empire today. Remember, find your niche. Choose quality programs. Create valuable content. Promote like a boss. Stay consistent. The journey won't be easy, but trust me, it'll be worth it. Now go out there and crush it.